Haven County, northern Middlesex County, until 2:45 p.m. At 1:56 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line of field from near Colchester to near East Franklin, moving at 15 miles per hour. Thunderstorms were located along the line of field from near Colchester to near East Hampton, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Norwich, Colchester, East Hampton, Salem, Hartford, Portland. Colchester, East Hampton, Salem, Hartford, Portland, East Hampton, Lordville, and Franklin. Winds and continuous cloud to ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fairfield County, northwestern New Haven County, and New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, northwestern New Haven County in southern Connecticut, until 340 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage. Newtown around 3:05 p.m. Seymour around 3:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Seymour around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Near Danbury, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Brookfield around 2:45 p.m. Bethel around 2:50 p.m. Newtown around 3:05 p.m. Southbury and Monroe around 3:40 p.m. Seymour around 3:45 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Right as I sit down. This one went off for 6 hours.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, northeastern Franklin County in western Massachusetts, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Northfield, or 10 miles northeast of Greenfield, moving southeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Locations impacted include Orange, Northfield, Bernardston, Irving, Gill, Royalston, Wendell, and Warwick.
I just walked in here.
Colchester around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Salem around 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Okay.
Strong thunderstorm in southern Hart.
Okay, at least I got that bit, or at least the other bit of it. So, that's one. I just got out of the bathroom. Good morning.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern New London County, northern Middlesex County, until 6:30 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, radar indicated. Impact, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Middletown, Colchester, East Hampton, Salem, Hartford, Cromwell, Portland, East Haddam, Lebanon, Lake Pecutapog, East Hampton, and Moodus. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warm area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties: in Connecticut, Middlesex, and New London. At 3:37 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Middletown, Colchester, East Hampton, Salem, Hartford, Cromwell, Portland, East Haddam, Lebanon, Lake Pecutapog, East Hampton, and Moodus.
SVR for whoever it is. Oh. West Hartford, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Glastonbury, Vernon, Windsor, At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Simsbury for 8 miles north of the flooded roadways. 15 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. In fact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Locations affected include Hartford, West Hartford, Manchester, East Hartford, Enfield, Glastonbury, Vernon, Windsor, Wethersfield, South Windsor, Farmington, Simsbury, Bloomfield, Avon, Suffield, East Longmeadow, Ellington, Windsor Locks, Coventry, and Somers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Okay. Thunderstorm watch.
Alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions.
Wow. Thunderstorm watch. Just now I got here.
Stay tuned to more weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Here is the latest weather map discussion.
Okay then, I just got here from my bike ride, so that'll be a nice day. WSBE, thunderstorm watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 4.
It's on TV.
Until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Bristol, Massachusetts, and the following counties: in Rhode Island, Bristol, Kent, Newport, Providence, and Washington, and the following marine locations: Vineyard Sound, Buzzards Bay, Rhode Island Sound, Narragansett Bay, Block Island Sound, coastal waters extending out to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket, and coastal waters from Montauk, New York to Martha's Vineyard extending out to 20 nautical miles south of Block Island. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Just got in there. Let's say WGMJ relay because I just got in here and missed it. Okay, now. So let's hear it.
New York, eastern Putnam County in southeastern New York until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Carmel or near Mahopac, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Danbury around 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ridgefield around 5:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. New Canaan and Reading around 5:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Wilton around 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Norwalk and Fairfield around 5:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Bridgeport around 5:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Here we go, WSB. I've been busy a lot during this afternoon, which is why I didn't get a lot of these alerts. But here we go.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Windham County in northern Connecticut, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, western Newport County in Rhode Island, southwestern Kent County in Rhode Island, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Plainfield, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. The storm has downed trees in Wires and Coventry and Mansfield. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Coventry, South Kingstown, North Kingstown, Plainfield, Narragansett, East Greenwich, Hopkinton, Richmond, Exeter, West Greenwich, Jamestown, and Sterling.
Second night of protest.